The first answers came at a place called Rano Raraku. It's the quarry where the statues were carved. There are more than 300 statues still there in every stage of construction. And there are huge coffin-shaped holes high up in the cliffs where hundreds more have been removed. Armed with only stone chisels, carving them must have taken years. And that was just the easy bit. Next, they had to be moved. And no one has spent more time trying to solve this problem than Charlie Love. First, they had to be lowered from the top of the quarry.
This was intended to have a segment of a very large tree inserted into it with enough strength so passing a rope around the outside, you could control the descent of a statue freed from the bedrock somewhere farther down in the quarry. The smooth place right here is probably where one of the ropes passed out and went down towards where the statues are.
Once they were lowered down, the next stage was transporting them across the island.
The amount of work necessary to carve one, the amount of work necessary to build a ceremonial platform is nothing compared to the amount of work to construct the roads and to move these colossal statues along them.
And there's been no more fiery debate between archaeologists over the years than the question of how they did it.
Logic dictates that they were moved in a horizontal position. That's the easiest, the safest way.
I think they moved these colossal statues upright.
The best way to move a figure is the way we did it.
Legends say that they walked.
I don't see anything within a Polynesian tradition that would have suggested large, heavy objects moving upright.
Moving them upright, I think, was the answer.
Whatever the truth, hundreds of statues were somehow moved around the island. Up hills, down valleys, distances of up to 10 miles. Some weighed more than 80 tons, twice as big as the biggest stones at Stonehenge. But the bigger mystery is, what were the statues for? What did they represent?